Ah, water. We humans can go without it for 3 to 4 days. But what about a cactus? They can go for 2 years without a single drop. What? Yes, so how do those extraterrestrial-looking beauties do it? Well, we're going to find out. Let's get virtual.
This stuff is delicious.
Plants need food energy to grow using a complex process called photosynthesis, absorbing light from the sun, carbon dioxide from the air, and water mostly from their roots. Then they break them down into their component parts: hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon, releasing the oxygen back into the air through little pores called stomatas. They keep the carbon and hydrogen and turn it into a kind of sugar, glucose. Yum. And that gets converted into cellulose, the building blocks or cell walls of a plant. Which is why plants are such an important part of maintaining a healthy climate. They help remove carbon dioxide, the greenhouse gas that can warm our planet, straight from the air. In a way, plants are breathing in chemicals and breathing out clean air. Generally, though, in plants, water also evaporates from their leaves, causing a kind of negative pressure inside the plant that sucks or siphons more water up from the roots in a process called transpiration.
Which is clever, but a cactus can't afford to lose water because in the desert there's precious little of it. So instead of having leaves, they have spikes, spines, or hairs that not only collect moisture from the air, but also protect the plant from hungry critters. Hey, you! Shoo!
Oh, man!
Sorry about that.
They have very shallow roots close to the surface to grab as much water as possible. When it rains, they even grow more roots as soon as the soil becomes wet and shrivel them up when it's dry. Brilliant! They also have thick and waxy skin to help keep the plant cooler and stop water from evaporating. In order to hold on to as much water as possible, the cactus keep their stomatas shut tight during the heat of the day. Basically, they're holding their breath until the evening. Then, in the cool of the night, they open their stomatas and breathe in, collecting carbon dioxide. But there's a problem. There's no sunlight energy to help convert it into glucose, so the cactus has to wait all night until the sun comes back up to start photosynthesis, grow, and stay alive. A cactus can also store the excess glucose they make for later in the form of starch for when it really needs some good food in a drought. The cactus may look like a giant furry cucumber past its expiration date, but they're one of nature's miracle survivors that just goes to show there's more life in the desert than we ever thought possible.